Hey guys, welcome back to Pascalini Productions. Today we are going to diagnose a Gobo error on a Martin Mac Viper. As the fixture boots up, we see a Gobo 1 error. With the fixture open, we're going to take a look at Gobo wheel 1. Here we discover that the belt has snapped. So there you have it, easy diagnosis. I happen to have another module on the shelf from a decommissioned unit, so I just swapped it into this fixture and sent it back to its next show. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments, smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe.